Hello, dear friends. Let me ask you something. Do you like your hair? Maybe you have straight hair and you want curly hair. What you can do, a wig for yourself. You need a ball of yarn. Then you need a hook. And then some crochet skills. You make a circle working in the back loops, and then you start working in the front loops, doing a chain. Let's say this one will be okay with the thin hook, and this yarn is a little bit tricky. This will be 24 chains. See you when I'm done. I have made 24 chains. You can make it longer if you want, but this is for the front part of the hair of the wig. Then you go down the chain, started from the second one, doing single crochet all the way down to the beginning of the chain, and make sure that you don't twist the chain while you are working your single crochets. You can be very creative in colors when you're making your wig. So I would love to see your wigs in the comments. At the base of the wig, skip one single crochet, and in the next, only in the front loop, do slip stitch and continue with the next chain to work the next strand. So now you have the next curl on your hair. Just help it to twist nicely. Do you like how it's coming?